Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put AirPods in the case, open it, and press the rear setup button until the LED flashes. This forces Bluetooth pairing. On Windows 7, go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers, then add a device. Click your AirPods when they appear. If your PC's Bluetooth adapter uses the Microsoft stack only, install the Broadcom or vendor Bluetooth driver so audio profiles like A2DP and hands-free work. Once done, proceed to Profile Setup. Once paired, make sure Windows 7 uses the correct profiles. Right-click the speaker icon, choose Playback Devices, and set AirPods as default device for media. This selects the A2DP profile for stereo sound. Then, open Recording Devices and enable the hands-free option only when you need the mic, because hands-free reduces audio quality. If Windows shows only a generic headset entry, install or change the adapter driver, or use a mod. Finish by testing. Play audio and record a short clip to confirm output and mic function. Make sure to reboot after driver installs, then repair the AirPods so Windows registers the updated profiles. If audio still fails, open Services and verify Bluetooth support and Windows Audio are running. Restart them if necessary. If the mic drops quality, remember, hands-free limits fidelity. Make sure to switch back to a 2DP for listening. If all else fails, try a different Bluetooth dongle that explicitly supports a 2DP and HFP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.